Welcome viewers to today's edition of Today's Capsule with Jasper Ogbonna. Today's topic is inflated property price. Now we look at factors that inflate the price of real estate. Number one is inflation. Good or bad, it's not good. It's not bad, it's good. Reason: if it's bad, it will go against real estate. The purpose and the reason for investing in real estate is therefore good because real estate mitigates against inflation. If you invest in real estate, no matter the rate of inflation, it will not affect the value of money so invested. So if it is good for real estate to rise because in terms of inflation, so that's one reason why real estate keep rising in terms of inflation, so that it can do the work it's set to do, mitigating you against loss of investment. Number two, again, is improvement on property. Improvement on property will definitely affect the price of the property, either because there's rise in the cost of materials or because there's a innovation on the property also, or addition to property. Example, if it's a bare land that's selling, once you start fencing, it has to cost. Once you go to gate house, it's out to cost. Once you start doing road networks, drainages, it also out to cost. So this is also another reason why real estate price goes up. Improvement on the property. Another one also is location. Location of property also helps the price to rise. Of course, you can't expect the land or property in your village to be same, to rise as same with the one in Lagos or any other growing city. You can also expect the price of real estate in Kano to rise as high as the one in Lagos. It's not possible also. Okay, so location affects the price of real estate, why it's inflated also. Now, you can also match an estate or a property facing the express with the one that is far from the road. The ones on the express attract commercial value. Commercial value, in essence, is higher than the other values in land. So commercial values are higher than residential values in real estate. So also the industrial value, they are higher than residential values in real estate. So property in facing express gets inflated and higher and better returns than the ones that are inside. Another reason is demand and supply. The demand for a property can cause it to rise in value also. That's simple economic term, so I don't need to go deep into that. You understand what? Also, another point is urbanization. By the time people begin to migrate to a certain area, development begin to go to that area. You also see government projects coming there. Of course, value of land begin to go up because there will be also a demand, a surge in the demand for such properties in those locations, which also lead to surge in the price also. Another point also is title. Land might be in one area with different titles. You have to expect a land that is a special decision or a land that has no title to the same price with a land that has your full or gazetted land. It can be possible. So titles of land also, title in land affect their pricing and also their rise in price also. Having said all this, we need to know also that, let me give an example. We're expecting an airport in Lagos, a Ikechukwu area, international airport. Once that project kicks off, the price of land there will skyrocket more than 1,000%. So also is the refinery. So also it's affecting another place that government have interest. Once it's announced, some people begin to buy a portion there. After that, when the ground price begin to go. Now, when is the right time, best time for me to buy so that I don't fall victim of buying at that high price? The best time to buy is buy what's called as pre-launch price. When an estate is doing a pre-launch price, is equivalent of capital market IPO, initial public offering. Now, at that pre-launch price, the property is discounted to attract initial investors into that. After the pre-launch price, the company begins to do what? Add value, start fencing another projects there. Price need to go up. Those coming after that time, we need to buy at a higher rate. And as long as we keep improving the property, it keeps going up. So the best time to buy is at pre-launch price. So look for estates that sell at pre-launch and key in there. After pre-launch, you'll be sure that you are making almost 25% additional value in some invested. And to most of them, you not even pay the whole sum. Initial deposit, you have secured a plot or more of the estate and move on. We also buy on information. Once you get the information that there's a project coming up there, come there, have faith. Key in that area. Key in there. And a lot of people have bought way back that properties in the refinery area, also in the new airport area, and other areas. They key in there on information. Now, those who be trying to come there and buy now, want to build hotels, there's an airport coming around there, want to come and want to buy and build a port. Land they bought at 1 million naira, you buy at 50 million naira. They made money. They work on information. They act on information. So let us seek for information, such as we give out here, and work with them to our own advantage. Remember, these latest capsules, really capsules such that you will know them, swallow them, and be a better investor in real estate. Okay? What time is better to buy now? Okay? The worst time to buy is tomorrow. The best time would have been 5 years ago, but the next best time is now. So I expect you to call and ask us where to buy now. We'll show you where to buy now for maximum return on your invested funds. Till I come here next time, I remain Jasper, your trusted ally in real estate. God bless you. God keep you. God multiply business. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share this link with your friends and family members so that they will also be aware and informed like you via this channel and make the best use of their funds invested. Have a great day. Bye-bye.